Hi, my name is Jacqueline and welcome to my Stamping with a Crafty Chick YouTube channel. I am so glad you're here. What is this channel all about? Paper crafting. And I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, so I also do videos where I promote Stampin' Up! Products that you can purchase directly from me. On the 1st and the 15th of every month, I showcase a stamp set from the current Stampin' Up! Catalog. On the last Saturday of every month, I show that month's paper pumpkin and provide alternate ideas and have a paper pumpkin giveaway, so you don't want to miss that. Currently, 2 p.m. on Fridays, Central Standard Time, I'm on Facebook Live, also doing tutorials and giveaways. You can go up here and find me on Facebook, Stamping with a Crafty Chick, and join my business page, and you will be notified when I go live. If you subscribe below and click the little bell icon, you will subscribe to my YouTube channel and also get notifications whenever I post new content or go live. You don't want to miss any of my videos or my giveaways. And you can find my Stampin' Up! Website at acraftychick.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Happy crafting!